So I have decided to bring a bit more sports into my life in order to be able to travel by either walking, running or cycling. And this week I had decided to run 5 kilometers every day. So let's see how it went. I slept so badly because yesterday at around 11 p.m. I just suddenly had some sort of like allergic reaction to the fleece jumper that I was wearing, and I wasn't wearing a t-shirt, so like my entire upper body was like covered in red plaques, and it felt like a bit like when you have a spider bite. But like my entire upper body felt like this. So basically I don't think I managed to sleep. So I was questioning whether I should completely reschedule this week's schedule. Now I feel better. I'm starting to feel better for like an hour or something. So I'm going to drink my coffee and finish getting ready and go for a run this morning. The run was fine. That's 561 kilometers. I don't really care how fast I am. I know I'm not fast. The idea is really just to do 5 kilometers this week every day. I woke up so late. I had another really bad night with a lot of itching and redness. Even though yesterday during the day it was fine, but during the evening it started to be all red and itchy again. So another bad night. So I woke up late, but I'm still going to go for a run. First, coffee. Why am I always out of focus? So that's 5:55. Alright, today is Wednesday. I'm late on my schedule again. $5.61. Good run. I need a shower. Hello. So today is Thursday and I'm going for a run. $5.51. So that was another good run. Hey, it's Friday. It's late again. I really need to go to bed earlier. But I'm still going for a run. Okay. 5:55. I didn't film a lot today, which is a shame because today I got to pet a cat. It was funny. Yeah, that was a good run. Am I again out of focus? No, I'm in focus. Anyway. It is Saturday and I'm going for a run again. That was another good run. 5:44. Didn't see any cat today, but I met a dog in the stairs going up to my apartment. Hello, today is Sunday and I am so late again. It's 11:32 right now and I still need like 10 minutes to get ready. So I had said I wanted to run 5 kilometers every day, so I'm going to run 5 kilometers today too, even though it's late and I have things to do. 5:41. Alright, that was another good run. So this week I wanted to run every day and to run about 5k, and I managed to do that every day, to run every day and run 5k. So I'm really satisfied with this. I noticed though that because in my schedule that was the first thing that I put like every day, going for a run. I don't know, but like this week I woke up like super late every day, like I had no motivation to get out of bed actually. So I don't know if running is the first thing that I should do in the morning. Maybe I should put something else before, like working a bit on the computer while having a coffee for like an hour and then going out for a run. Or I don't know, just reading while having coffee and then going for a run. I do like having like just one coffee before going for a run. I need to sort of find what's the best schedule for me, what's the best like training program, like what sort of things can I do with the videos on top of that. So yeah, that's still a work in progress. That's kind of the idea behind those like different schedule, different training programs every week. Trying to find what works best for me, what I prefer, and so on. So yeah. Anyway, that was a good week. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you tomorrow in the next video. Bye!